to share with you today how easy it is to create, format, and navigate presentations in Google Slides. Let's get started with how to create the presentation. Take you to your 3x3 waffle, drop that down, find the slides icon. Here you're going to find where Google has pre-made a gallery for you to select some pre-made templates. We can also come to any web browser and type in slides.new and then enter. And that's going to create and open a new document for you, a blank document for you to work with. Let's rename the untitled presentation. Let's name it vertical. Vertical angles. And then just press enter. From here, I want to determine whether I want to share this or not. Click on it, and then I'm going to take it from restricted to anyone with the link. I can copy my link and share it through Google Classroom, email it, however I want to do that. On the right-hand side, you'll see that Google has pre-installed some different themes for you to choose from. I'm going to scroll down through and see which one I like. I'm going to choose Modern Writer today. I can customize my details here, such as my colors, my fonts, etc., any way I want to on this. My body of my screen is always going to show the slide that I'm currently working on. So I'm going to name my slideshow and add my first name, or first initial, I should say, last name. All right, over here on the left, it's always going to show you what slides you've already worked with. I'm going to add some slides by plus new slide. And then I can always take slides out by edit after I select which one I want to edit and delete that. I'm going to delete one more. And adding text, I just click on where the text is that I want to add and I begin typing. Maybe I want some text down here in this big text box. Let's say I want to define vertical angles. And then in that text box, I can change the whole appearance of the whole text box by adding some background color. I can change the border color. I can change the thickness of the border. And I can make it dashed or however I want. I can also change the appearance of the text itself by changing the font. Let's choose Webster. I can change the size of the font. I can change it to bold, italic, underlined, and even the color of the font. I could have highlighted it if I wanted to. I can drag and click and drag the text boxes to change the size of it. And then I can drag it around to move it anywhere I want it on the screen. Adding media. I'm going to change from a text slide to a media slide by dropping down this menu here, and I'm going to choose this. And I'm going to add an example. Here, I'm going to add an image. I'm going to have these choices to choose from, or I can come over here to insert and have the same choices. Going from the web, I'm going to look for my vertical angles. Once those pop up and I scroll down through, let's say I don't like anything here, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to go from upload from my computer. Lucky for me, I had already uploaded what I wanted, so I'm going to have this here, and I can resize it if I wanted to. I like the size of it here, though, and place it where I want it. I'm going to add a slide transition where I want all of my slides to slide in from the right. I want them to come in at a nice pace, and I'm going to apply that to all of them. Then I want my object to be animated as well. I want it to come in at a spin. Instead of it coming in manually on the click, I want it to come in after the previous transition has come in. I want to preview this by pushing play. You see it slides in from the right, and then there's my animation. So then I click my stop because I like it, and my slideshow is complete. So that's great. So now if I have someone that is on the outside of the Google realm who wants to see this that I need to share it with, I can download this as a PowerPoint and I can share it to them this way. And since my presentation was created in Google Slides, it's already saved to my Google Drive and can be used interchangeably on any of the Google Suite platforms. If I need to add any Q&A, I can do that through Presenter View. As with all the Google platforms I've worked with, Slides is totally user-friendly and easy to learn and navigate. So have fun making and sharing your Google Slides. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.